Weather impacts every sector of the economy. In fact, there isn't a business on the planet that isn't affected by weather. NASCAR is, of course, the biggest spectator sport here in the United States, and one that is highly dependent on weather.
We wanted to have a better understanding of how weather affects what we do. We had a hurricane off the coast of the Carolinas weekend when we were racing in Charlotte. The thing that struck me is I remember the weather company coming to us and saying, "We think we can help you."
It's not just being able to anticipate big changes in the weather. The performance of our vehicles is predicated so much on what the weather is at a particular point. The density of the air at a particular point has a large effect on the horsepower that the engine's going to make. Will have a big effect on how much downforce the car is going to have during the race.
The weather conditions really affect our setup in so many different ways. Whether or not the sun's on the track, whether or not it's going to rain, how much power the engine has, what the tires are doing, humidity, tailwind down the back straightaway, headwind on the front stretch.
You know, if we have an instance where rain's threatening, do we start the race, do we not start the race?
As you'd imagine, we talk about weather a lot. You know, how it impacts competition, how it impacts the logistics of race operations.
Every aspect of a NASCAR race can be affected by weather, from start to finish. And that's why we're excited to introduce the NASCAR Weather Track.
Massive amounts of data condensed down into something that's actionable, that's understandable, and you can make decisions from. Flagship Solutions Group is an IBM business partner. We're using APIs from the weather company, software tools to develop a dashboard for them to use in race operations. We're running all of this on the IBM cloud.
This is going to allow us now to have a high-quality platform, one source of the truth. When we look at the weather, logistics, our safety, our competition team, we're all looking at that same platform.
This relationship is, of course, about the fans, too.
Our fans just can't get enough information, behind-the-scenes data, and weather is a major factor in how NASCAR events unfold.
The major impact it's going to have is just having the entire ecosystem of the sport just be more informed.
It brings a whole level of science to what we're doing that will take a lot of the uncertainty out of those decisions.
At the Weather Company, we are so proud to offer weather-driven solutions to the more than 3,500 businesses around the world that rely on us to help them make better, more informed decisions.